Welcome, tech enthusiasts and creators. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Flux AI, an AI powerhouse that's rewriting the rules of digital creativity and productivity. In this video, you'll discover not just what Flux AI is, but how it's transforming everything from image generation to video creation, becoming a vital tool for content creators, marketers, and innovators. Buckle up because we're about to explore the untapped potential of AI like never before. Flux AI isn't just another AI model, it's a revolution. Developed by Black Forest Labs, Flux AI introduces a suite of tools designed to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated content. From its open-source roots to its high-quality visual outputs, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and real-world applications of Flux AI. Whether you're interested in generating stunning images, crafting cinematic videos, or automating your workflow, Flux AI has something for everyone. So what exactly does Flux AI offer? At its core, Flux AI includes several models. Flux Zone Pro for professionals needing top-tier image quality, Flux Zone Dev for developers and those looking to experiment, and Flux Zone Schnell for rapid image generation. Each variant is tailored to different user needs, providing versatility and performance that stands out in the crowded AI space. Additionally, Flux AI supports advanced image manipulation techniques like in-painting and out-painting, allowing you to modify or expand existing images with incredible ease. It also features customizable parameters for those who want to fine-tune their outputs, ensuring that whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, Flux AI can cater to your specific creative vision. Let's start with the image generation capabilities. Flux AI is known for its photorealistic outputs, with a special knack for rendering human features accurately, something many AI models still struggle with. It excels at understanding complex text prompts, turning them into visual art that's not only accurate but also breathtaking. We'll show you how Flux AI's advanced understanding of spatial relationships and context allows for the creation of intricate, detailed scenes from simple text descriptions. But it's not just about creating from scratch. Flux AI goes further. It offers innovative features like image in-painting, where you can restore or modify parts of an image, and out-painting, where you can extend the canvas beyond the original image's borders, seamlessly blending new content with the old. This capability is particularly useful for artists looking to add or correct elements without starting over. Moreover, Flux AI's control over image composition allows for dynamic adjustments in style, lighting, and perspective, giving creators the freedom to experiment with different visual narratives. We'll also explore how Flux AI handles less common but equally important tasks like text rendering within images, ensuring that even intricate typography is generated with precision. Whether you're designing a poster, a digital art piece, or need to visualize a concept for a presentation, Flux AI's nuanced approach to image generation ensures your visual content is not just seen but felt, making your creative vision come to life with an authenticity and depth that's truly remarkable. But Flux AI doesn't stop at images. Its foray into video generation is equally impressive. By combining text-to-image with advanced video models like Kling AI, Flux AI offers a seamless transition from static visuals to dynamic, engaging video content. This means you can turn your scripts or story ideas into short clips or full videos with just a few clicks, making it a perfect companion for storytellers and content creators who need to visualize their narratives quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, Flux AI supports frame-by-frame control, allowing for adjustments in motion, transitions, and even character animations, providing you with the tools to craft videos that not only tell your story but do so with cinematic flair. Whether you're creating for social media, educational content, or marketing, Flux AI makes video production accessible and remarkably creative. One of Flux AI's most compelling features is its open-source nature. This not only fosters a community of innovators, but also ensures that Flux AI remains at the cutting edge, constantly evolving with contributions from developers worldwide. We'll explore how this community aspect enhances Flux AI, making it more than just a tool. It's a platform for collective growth and creativity. But how does Flux AI stack up against competitors like Midjourney or DALL-E? We'll conduct a side-by-side comparison, looking at aspects like image quality, speed, customization options, and ease of use. You'll see why Flux AI is often heralded as a step above, particularly in terms of prompt adherence and the ability to handle complex scenarios with ease. When it comes to image quality, Flux AI's output often stands out for its photorealism and nuanced detail, especially in rendering human elements. Speed is another area where Flux AI excels, with models like Flux AI offering rapid generation, ideal for quick iterations or when time is of the essence. Customization is where Flux AI really shines. It offers a range of parameters for fine-tuning outputs, from style and color palette to specific image elements like text or objects within the scene. This level of control is not always as pronounced in competitors, giving users more creative freedom. Ease of use is also a critical factor. Flux AI's interface, whether through its API or user-friendly platforms, balances accessibility for beginners with deep customization for experts. Unlike some competitors which might require more technical know-how, Flux AI manages to cater to both ends of the user spectrum. We'll explore these differences with practical examples, showing how Flux AI can deliver results that are not just visually appealing, but also closely aligned with the user's creative intent, making it a preferred choice for those who demand both quality and flexibility in their AI-assisted creations. For those interested in practical applications, we'll delve into case studies, from marketers using Flux AI to create dynamic product visuals to educators animating complex concepts for better student engagement. The applications are vast. We'll demonstrate how you can leverage Flux AI's features like high-quality image generation, rapid image creation with Flux AI, and detailed text rendering for your projects, whether you're running a small business or working on a personal art project. Now let's talk about integration and accessibility. Flux AI is designed to be user-friendly, with APIs for developers and straightforward interfaces for everyday users. We'll guide you through setting up Flux AI on your own machine, if that's your preference, or how to use web-based platforms where Flux AI is integrated. But every technology has its learning curve and limitations. We'll be honest about where Flux AI might not meet every need, discussing scenarios where traditional methods or other AI tools might be better suited. This balanced view will help you decide if Flux AI is the right tool for your specific requirements. In terms of ethical considerations, we'll explore how Flux AI handles issues like copyright, content authenticity, and the impact on creative industries. It's crucial to understand how to responsibly use such powerful tools, ensuring that while we push the boundaries of technology, we also respect the art and work of human creators. To wrap up, we'll look forward to the future of Flux AI. With ongoing developments and the promise of text-to-video models, what could this mean for the next wave of digital content creation? We'll discuss anticipated features, potential industry changes, and how you can prepare for or contribute to these advancements. So whether you're here to understand AI's role in your creative process, looking to adopt new technologies in your business, or just curious about the future of AI, this video is your comprehensive guide to Flux AI. Let's dive in together and see how Flux AI can transform your ideas into reality. As we near the end of our journey through Flux AI, it's clear that this technology isn't just about generating content. It's about empowering creators, developers, and businesses to achieve more with less effort. Flux AI stands out not just for its technical prowess, but for its community-driven evolution, making it a beacon for the future of AI in creative industries. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As you integrate Flux AI into your workflow, consider the ethical implications, the authenticity of your content, and always strive to add your unique touch, ensuring your creations are not just AI-generated, but genuinely yours. To keep up with Flux AI's innovations, consider joining the developer community or following updates from Black Forest Labs. Engage with the tool, experiment, and share your results. The more we interact with these technologies, the more we can shape them to serve humanity's creative spirit rather than just replace it. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Flux AI. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Drop your thoughts, questions, or what you'd like to see Flux AI do next in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and push the boundaries of what's possible together. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and stay ahead with AI.